Focus, focus, breathe. I can do this. I've done worse things before. Pull it down. Okay. See? That wasn't that bad. All done. Hey guys, it's Nina and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to talk about 4 things that I just truly cannot stand about my locks. As much as I love my locks, it's just like any relationship, whether it's your man, your girl, your mama, your baby, whoever, you love them, but at the same time, they annoy the crap out of you and you just need to have some time to yourself to get things together. Let's go ahead and get started. Listen really good, okay? The number one thing I cannot stand about my locks is lint. It's in sweaters, it's in scarves, it's in your living room, it's in your bedroom, it's in the bathroom, it's in your car. You see all this furry goodness? This is like the Motherlode of lint. This is just asking to get stuck in my locks. It's gonna be there. It's just like, you know, thirst traps on Instagram. You can't avoid it. You just have to be diligent about making sure that you get rid of it. It has a particular set of skills and it will find me every time. Recognize this? My number 2 most annoying thing about my locks is that they make my head big. And let's be clear, my head is already quite rotund. When they make these head holes, these tiny head holes for like a little shrunken Beetlejuice head, it is very hard to put these on. And this goes for caps, this goes for headphones. It's gonna take a lot more effort because you just have so much more hair on your head. I guess a solution to that would just be to wear zip-ups. The number 3 thing I can't stand about having locks is not being able to scratch how I want to. I do miss the days where I could just part my hair and take a rat tail or fine tooth comb and just like scratch out the dandruff and then wash it. Nowadays I can't really do that because I want to keep my parts intact, and also I don't want my parts to thin out at the root. When I'm in the shower, it's a little bit easier to kind of massage. Man, there's just some times where I just want to get up in there, you know, and if you have severe scalp issues where your scalp is going to constantly need to be descaled, locks are probably not going to be the best thing for you. And the last thing I cannot stand about my locks is the fact that they hold on to smells. If I go to Benihana, it is 100% guaranteed that my locks will smell like Rocky's Choice. If I sit in front of a fire pit, I'm just gonna smell burnt for a week. I can't imagine what it would be like if, you know, I don't know, if a porta potty tipped over and I got trapped somewhere. If you're having a bad day in the bathroom, make sure that you do courtesy flushes because those kinds of smells can linger. Also with your scarves, make sure that you're washing them because your locks can end up smelling like just old hair, old stale hair. Just be careful about the kind of odors that are surrounding you because your locks will tell on you. There's more pros than cons with my locks, honestly. I really do love them. These are just some things that, you know, I wish I could change. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Also hit that subscribe button because I would love for you to stick around. And thanks for watching.